Hello and welcome to another quick update about Quant. Quant remains here hovering just above the 38.2% fib level. Yeah, we measured that yesterday. I told you that this is the first level from where Quant has another chance to reverse to the upside. And but there are currently no signs it's doing it. In fact, it's dropping a little bit lower. This, however, looks to me like a corrective move down, not an impulsive move down, which means there is a chance here to move higher. What could very well be is that we see short-term upside, for example, in a wave in A, B, C. Yeah, but for me at the moment, this could mean many things. You know, we could have seen here already an A. This was the B, and we're now heading down in C. The point is, as long as we stay below 195 US dollars. My focus here is remaining on the downside. Yeah, this previous swing high here. As soon as we get above that, we have a good chance to rally higher to continue the current wave and to get into the area between $234 and $310. But as long as we stay below 195, I think we're going to head at least into this green area here, which is located between $155 and $117. So there's two different possibilities that can emerge here. That, for the most likely ones in my opinion, the first one is that we continue higher here in the third wave, so that we have, since the low at $40, we moved up in a wave 1, we came down in 2, we moved up in a 3. Yeah, the wave 3 target hasn't been reached. We would need to reach at least $234. Then there will be a shallow wave 4 retracement and a wave 5 up. That could take us to above $300. Yeah. However, if we're stopping here and now break below the 38.2% fib level, which is at $173, then I think we're going to reach the 50% fib level, 156, but possibly far lower. And because this area can be used completely all the way down to $116.67, this is sort of the area with the highest likelihood where we should then finish our retracement. We need to very much keep an eye on the indicators here with this chart, because I told you yesterday already on the 2-day chart, you're already losing bullish momentum now on the MACD. Now we are far away from a bearish crossover, but we need to keep an eye on that. And yesterday on the 4-day chart, we were still pushing. Now we start to lose positive momentum on the 4-day chart as well. Now we did that here before and then came down and basically made new lows. Yeah, here we had it as well. At least we saw when that started to happen quite a significant dip in a wave 2 correction, and this is exactly what could happen now as well. So this is at the moment a sign that things might be changing short term here for Quant. On the 1-day chart, again, if we see here that bearish crossover play out, which might be happening in a few days, then this will also push the price lower. But price action is always key, so it's really important to see which fib level is holding here. Again, at the moment we're holding this one, but there isn't really a massive bullish reaction to it, right? As you can see here on the 1-hour chart, we are still heading lower. Yes, without looking at the indicators, I'll be able to tell you, you probably see here a bullish divergence on the 1-hour, pretty sure. And yeah, basically, so we're basically making lower lows on the price chart, even though it's really, really, well, you could even say a double bottom, okay? And we also have a double bottom on the 1-hour RSI, and here on the on the 3-hour chart, double bottom as well. So yeah, it doesn't here on the it's the 4-hour where we see that on the 4-hour we see we actually don't see a bullish divergence. All right, okay. So however, that is again, that is not really a bullish sign. That's actually confirming the view that we see here, a little bit more of a retracement down. Important then, you can use here this descending trend line. So we have a trend down, obviously. A breakout above that level would be a first signal that things might be changing even before we break above $195. Yeah, so this is something I would use. So at the moment, this is all pushing further down. It's hovering below resistance. That is not a bullish sign. Also the green candles here, there aren't many. So it will be really interesting to see if this level holds or not. So we made a slightly new low. So you could argue it was a slightly bullish divergence, because if you make a double bottom on the RSI and you make a slightly lower low on the price chart, it is a slight bullish divergence, but nothing major, to be honest. So it doesn't really, sort of suggest an upcoming price increase or anything. But again, price action is key. So the $195 level is for me the next breakout point. If we don't reach that, for me the focus is on the downside, getting into this area and then having another chance to reverse from here. But this could be the dip that many people waited for. Let's see where we are. And I guess today's trading session should tell us more. It's a very interesting chart to watch. Yeah, very interesting chart. At the moment, as long as we stay below 195, I would not primarily see us reach this area anymore, but a break above $195 will change my view, which doesn't mean we won't reach it at all. It just means we take the diversion through a larger dip in a wave 2 before we start to move higher. Okay, and that's my update about Quant. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.